What's going on, guys? So in today's video I am going to show you how you can fix a D3D11 compatible GPU issue on your PC. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. So first, go to your search and type view advanced system settings, and let's click in here. Now here in this window, let's go ahead and go to advanced and click on settings. On the next window, click on advanced, and here under virtual memory, click on change. Now from here, uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives, and here click on custom size. So in your initial size per MB, you can type 1024. So 1024 MB is 1 gigabytes. Now under maximum size, you can go ahead and check how much RAM you have on your system. So go to search and type about your PC. Now let's click on this one. And here we can see that I have 16 gigabytes of RAM. So let's open up a calculator, and here we can just type 1024 times 16, and we got 16384. Now go back to your settings, and here let's type 16384 and click on set and click on OK. Now here, in order for the changes to take effect, you need to restart your PC, and after that you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.